Can we go faster? All right, let's go.
I'm gonna go sit down and sit.
That's fun. Yeah, this will take a while. Make him trot, Cody. See if you make him trot. Put your hands forward. Put your hands forward. Reach back there and pop him on the butt with the whip. Come on, Oreo. Come on. There you go. Good job, buddy. Don't go. There you go. Put your hands down. He might not can do the pattern. He's going too fast. Good job, now turn. Go trot. All right, now don't fall off. All right, quit hitting me. Keep coming. All right, now walk. Good job, buddy.